everybody, and welcome back to my channel. You guys, I am excited that I went to CVS. CVS is kind of a slow week this week, which is totally fine. I've been really trying to push like digital coupons and like, you know, coupons that I have, because I'm gonna not buy newspapers for a while unless there's like an absolute deal. But right now I'm just kind of slowing down on stuff, and I've been really relying on digital coupons, but I don't think, yeah, I used a couple digital coupons. So I am here to share with you guys what I got today. So it was a small haul. It was like one bag, you guys. One little tiny little bag. It wasn't very much. I just think it's because it's Memorial Weekend. There's usually not a lot of good sales on Memorial Weekend. And, you know, just with everything going on. So that is totally fine with me. Sorry, I bought some soap at Walgreens and I don't want it to leak. So the first deal that I was looking for, like they didn't have any tags up, they were working on them, was the candy. Now I really wanted to get regular Hershey Bars because we're into making s'mores at home. So I wanted to get some Hershey Bars, but they didn't have any, so I ended up just getting these ones. These are the Hershey Reese's, so maybe they'll, you know, change it up a little bit for the s'mores. These are 2 for $2. You guys would pay $2 for this, but then you guys will get a $1 extra care buck, making it just $1. So 50 cents I think for a good candy bar, and I gotta keep these out of the sun because they will melt. The next deal I did was the ladies speed stick. Now the men's speed stick was like $4.19 and the ladies speed stick was $3.69. So it was a whole lot cheaper getting the ladies speed stick, and that's what I did because I feel like I got a lot of men's and I don't have a lot of women's. But these were $3.69. It was buy one get one 50% off. I did print off 2 50-cent off coupons from speedstick.com. And then I also had a CRT for 2 off of 2 that I got in today's from the Red Machine. So I paid $2.53, but then you guys will get $2 back in an extra care buck, making it 53 cents. So we got that going on. I just realized this was a moneymaker. It wasn't a moneymaker because I forgot I had the $10 care pass, which technically I paid $5 and I got $5 back. So, but this still turned out to be an okay deal. So here is the Colgate mouthwash. These are $3.99. I didn't have any 50-cent off coupons that we got from last week. I only had one newspaper and I used that last week. So I ended up printing 2 75-cent off coupons from Colgate.com. I also had $1 off of 6 CRT for mouthwash. So you would pay $5.48, but you would get $2 and $2 back in an extra care buck, making it $1.48 or just 74 cents a piece. So, it's an okay deal. I usually say, you know, anything under for $1 for mouthwash is an okay deal. And then I was trying to figure out what Pantene was on sale because they had these on sale. I gotta put these bags somewhere in a safe spot because I use these when we have trash. I was trying to figure out, like, you know, what ones were on sale because they didn't have any labeled, but it's the big bottles. So the big bottles are 3 for $15. I did get a 5 off of 10 CRT, but that one did not work. It's technically for styling stuff. So I'm like, that's fine, I'll just save it for later. So these were, I used a 4 off of 3 digital coupon, plus I had a $2 off Pantene coupon and a 4 off of 14 Pantene CRT, $2 CRT and 4 off of 4 CRT. You guys would pay $5 for the both of these, but then you guys will get a $5 extra care buck, making these absolutely free. So I got the 3 of those. So that was my haul, you guys. I know, it was kind of sad. It's small, wasn't a lot, but you know, that's totally fine. My total came to 1 penny. 1 penny. I ended up using $6 worth of extra care bucks, but I just realized that I used 16 because I had I I had the, sorry, this, I can't think all of a sudden. I had the $10 Easy Pass thing. So then I ended up using $16, but I got $12 back. So it came out to be $4.01 for everything, which is totally fine. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items. So it came out to be 45 cents a piece, which is a pretty good deal. So if you guys enjoyed my small CVS haul, you know, it's so weird when there's people like parked right next to me when I am filming. I know I gotta not pay attention to it, but it's getting there. But if you guys enjoyed this small haul, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Hopefully we have an awesome week. I think next week is P&G week, so we're gonna probably have some really good deals. Thanks for watching again. See you guys all later, and bye-bye.